Have you ever thought about a career that commands respect, no matter where you are in the world? A career where your skills are absolutely essential for protecting people and major industries? Well, let's get into what it really takes to build what we call a golden career in fire and rescue, and how you can become part of that elite international community. This idea of a golden career, it's really more than just a catchy phrase. It's a real path to becoming a top-tier professional, someone whose skills are recognized and valued everywhere. But to get there, we first have to understand the gold standard that makes it all happen.
So, who actually sets this global gold standard? Well, it all really boils down to two huge, internationally respected organizations. Let's take a quick look at who they are and, more importantly, what they do.
Okay, first up, there's an acronym you're going to hear constantly in this industry, NFPA. But what does it actually stand for? And how did this American organization get to have such a massive worldwide influence? Think of the NFPA as the main architects of global fire safety. They literally write the rule books, the codes and standards that fire services from the US to Europe to Asia all follow. We're talking about everything from how to handle hazardous materials to the specific training a firefighter needs, like the world-famous NFPA 1001 standard. They set the benchmark for keeping people and properties safe. So, if the NFPA writes the safety playbook, who makes sure that the actual players on the field are world-class? Well, that brings us to our second key player, IFSA. IFSAC is all about you, the individual professional. They're the ones who accredit and certify firefighters, which means a qualification you earn in one country is instantly recognized and respected in another. You can think of them as the quality control of the global firefighting world, making sure everyone is trained to the same excellent standard. So here's the bottom line. It's really simple when you break it down. The NFPA develops the what, the standards for safety. And then IFSAC accredits the who, the professionals who actually meet those standards. One creates the benchmark, the other validates the expert. They work hand in hand. Okay, knowing about these two organizations is super important because getting their stamp of approval is what turns a regular job into a career that can take you anywhere. So let's talk about how this certified advantage can completely unlock your future. Right, this is where it gets really exciting for you. What does having a certification backed by these global powerhouses actually do for your career path? Look, this is so much more than a piece of paper. It's basically your passport to a global career. Internationally recognized means you could be working on an oil rig in the North Sea one year and then at a major airport in the Middle East the next. And check out those sectors, oil and gas, aviation. These are high-stakes industries that need elite professionals. And yep, they pay really competitive salaries for those skills. You're not just finding a job, you're building a career that has almost limitless potential. For the longest time, getting this level of certification meant you had to travel abroad, and that can get really expensive. But now, for professionals in Pakistan, something truly historic is about to happen. That's right. For the very first time in Pakistan's history, this golden opportunity, this gateway to a global career, is finally available right at home. GETS Institute, through a huge collaboration with ETS South Africa, is now offering these world-class NFPA and IFSCA-aligned courses right here in Pakistan. Honestly, this is a complete game changer for anyone wanting to get into this field. And this isn't just some far-off dream. You can actually mark your calendars because on March 23rd, 2026, this whole journey begins. That's the date your future as a globally recognized firefighter can officially kick off. So, we've covered the global standards, the amazing career benefits, and this unbelievable new opportunity right here in Pakistan. The only question left is, are you ready to take that first step toward your own golden career? This really is your chance to do something extraordinary. Don't just settle for any job when you have the chance to build a golden career. Become internationally certified and take your place among the best in the world. The future of fire and rescue is global, and it is absolutely waiting for you.